KKK and Cartilla ng Katipunan by Emilio Jacinto. The kataas-kataas ang kagalang-galangang katipunan ng mga anak ng bayan. KKK was a Philippine Revolutionary Society founded by anti-Spanish Filipinos in Manila in 1882, whose primary aim was to gain independence from Spain through revolution. During the said revolutionary period, in the conduct of their struggle, Katipuneros created a complex structure and a defined value system that would guide the organization as a collective aspiring for a single goal. This was the document called Cartilla ng Katipunan. The Cartilla ng Katipunan acted as the guidebook for the organization, new members which set out the rules, the participles of the party. The original title of the document was Lessons of the Organization of the Sons of the Country. The first edition of the Cartilla ng Katipunan was written by Emilio Jacinto in 1896. Who is he? So, ito na siyang i-discuss later. So, here is the content of Cartilla written by Jacinto. Love God, love God with all your heart. Bear always in mind that the love of God is also the love of country, and this, too, is love of one's fellow man. Engrave in your heart that the true measures of the honor and happiness to die for the freedom of your country. Uh, for all your good wishes will be crowded with success if you have serenity, constancy, reason, and faith in all your acts and endeavor. Guard the mandates and the aims of the KKK as your guard your honor. It is the duty of all that deliver at the risk of their own lives and wealth. Anyone who runs great risk in the performance of this duty. Our responsibility to ourselves and the performance of our duties will be the example set for our fellow men to follow. Yeah. And so, and so far as it is within your power, share your means with the poor and the unfortunate. Diligence in the work that gives sustenance to you in true basis of love. Love for yourself, for your wife and children, for your brothers and countrymen. Punish any scoundrel and traitor and praise all good work. Believe, likewise, that the aims of the KKK are God-given, for the will of the people is also the will of God. Also the will of God. Teaching the Katipunan, teaching the Katipunan of the sons of people. So there are 15 teaching the Katipunan, the son of the people, are also content from Sintos written Cartelia. So, as you can see, naran na siya sa tuang screen. Nakita ra. Uh, correction, it has a 14 Cartelia ng Katipunan. Uh, um, Founding of the Katipunan. Founding on the night of July 1892 as Caraga Saint Claro M. Recto Saint. The Katipunan was a secret revolutionary society of the Filipino patriots. Kataas-kataas ang kagalang-galangang katipunan ng anak ng mga bayan. Founder was Andres Bonifacio with the aid of his friends Teodora Plata, Ladislao Dewa, Diosdado Arellano, Valentin Diaz. And aim of the KKK is to unite the Filipinos to fight for Philippine independence. So, the aim of KKK is to kanang magtapok ang mga Filipinos to become to fight para ma-independence ang atuang country to freed from foreign. Ayan. Andres Bonifacio, the great plebeian, born in Tondo on November 30, 1863, the first child poor parents, named after Saint Andrew the patron saint of Manila. He had 3 brothers and 2 sisters. Ciriaco, Propus- Procopio, Espiridiona, Trudio, Maxima. His died when he was 14 years old. He was supported his siblings by selling bamboo canes and people fans in the city streets. He also worked as a warehouse keeper in a music tile factory in Santa Mesa. He worked first as a messenger and was promoted as the agent in Fleming and Company, but he transferred to Frisell and Company for a higher wage. So he also started his education in the school of Guillermo Osmeña, a private a, priv- a private primary school in Tondo. He educated himself by extensive reading of good books and learning Spanish by himself self-study. So, Monica, first wife of Bonifacio who died because of leprosy. Gregoria de Jesus, second wife of Bonifacio, whom he had a son named Andres who died because of smallpox. So, Emilio Jacinto. So, Emilio Jacinto kay mo niyang mga background. So, Emilio Jacinto, brains of the Katipunan. Born in Trujillo, Tondo, Manila on December 15, 1875. His father died shortly after he was born. He was adopted by Uncle Don Jose Dizon. Obtained the Bachelor of Arts degree in Colegio de San Juan de Letran. Studied law on UST but was not able to finish it. Remained loyal to Bonifacio even after his death. He died on April 16, 1899 at the age of 23 years old because of malaria. So, Katipunan Government. So, here, kataas-taasan, kataas-taasang sanggunian, Supreme Council for the whole country, consisted of the President, a Fiscal, Secretary, a Treasury, and a Comptroller. Sangguniang Bayan Provincial Council for every province. Sangguniang Barangay Municipal Council for every town. The judicial power of KKK exercised by the Sangguniang Hukuman Judicial Council. It decided cases involving treachery among the members and quarrels between them. Officers of KKK. So, the first Supreme Council of the Katipunan was organized in August 1, 1892. It was composed of the following: President Supremo Deodato Arellano, Controller Intervenor Andres Bonifacio, Fiscal Ladislao Diwa, Treasurer Teodora Plata, Treasure Secretary Teodora Plata, Treasurer Valentin Diaz. Deodato Arellano was the first president of the Katipunan. Roman Basa became the Supremo because of Bonifacio was disgusted over the performance of Arellano. 2 years after, another election was held with the following as officer: Supremo, Andres Bonifacio, Secretary of State, Emilio Jacinto, Secretary of War, Teodora Plata, Secretary of Justice, Bricio Pantas, Secretary of Interior, Aguido del Rosario, Secretary of Finance, Enrique Panchico. So, Katipunan membership. Here are the Katipunan membership. Originally, the KKK recruited new members by means of triangle system. So, an original member would recruit two new who did not know each other. Example, example, Bonifacio formed the first triangle with Diwa and Plata. They also agreed that they would pay a membership fee amounting to 1 real 25 centavos and a monthly due of media real 12 centavos. Every member of the Katipunan adopted a symbolic name: Andres Bonifacio, May Pagasa; Emilio Jacinto, Pinagkian; Artemio Ricarte, Vibora; Emilio Aguinaldo, Magdalo. 3 grades of Katipunan membership. Katipunan Associate, first grade, password was Anak ng Bayan. Kawal, Soldier, second grade, password was Gomborza. Bayane, Patriot, third grade, password was Rizal. So that's all for today. Thank you.
Women of the Katipunan. At the beginning, the Katipunan was exclusively for men. Kung ano ang Katipunan kay mga laki ra, walay babae. Later on, admitted to preserve peace in the family because the wives of the Katipuneros were becoming jealous of the nightly absences of their husband and the reduction of their monthly earnings. Ang mga asawa ko ng Katipuneros kay nagselos kay wala ilang banat tagagabi o nakuhaan ang monthly earnings nila. Qualification for female members: wife of a Katipunero, daughter of a Katipunero, sister of a Katipunero, any close relative of a Katipunero. Maon ni siya ang mo qualify for female members of Katipunan. O dili ka wives or daughter or any relatives sa Katipunero, dili ka pwede mo qualify sa female members sa Katipunan. Prominent Katipuneras. Mauna sila ang mga prominent Katipuneras. Gregoria de Jesus, wife of Bonifacio, was called Lakabini of Katipunan. Mauna siya. Nas picture niya. Kadua kay si Maria Dizon, cousin of Emilio Jacinto. Tulo kay si Simeona de Remigio, wife of Thomas Remigio. Melchora Ramos Y. Aquino as Tandang Sora, January 6, 1812 March to 1989. Siya ang mother of Katipunan. She fed the Katipuneros and nursed the wounded patrons. Later, she was arrested by the Spanish authorities and was exiled in the Marinas. Service of the Katipunan. Service of the women in the Katipunan. They gathered in secret documents and paraphernalia of the society. Sila na magbantay sa mga documents of paraphernalia of society. They help recruiting new members of the society. Kung tabang kung sila mga mangitag new members. Whenever the Katipuneros were holding their secret meeting, they held a gay party to cover up the revolutionary army. Literature of the Katipunan. Emilio Jacinto, youngest and the British writer of the Katipunan. His pen name was Dimias Ilaw. He wrote the following: Alapria is political masterpiece, liwanag at dilim, a series of essay of human rights, liberty, equality of men, labor, and love, country. Kartilya ng Katipunan contains a teaching of the KKK. Kartilya of Katipunan, a life that is not dedicated to a noble cause is like a tree without a shade or poisonous weed. A death or nobility if it is motivated by self-interest and not by sincere desire to help. True pity consists of being charitable, loving one's fellow man, being judicious in behavior, speech, and deed. All persons are equal regardless of the color of their skins, while one of more schooling, wealth, or beauty, another. All that does not make one more human than anybody else. A person with a noble character values honor above its self-interest, while a person with a base character values self-interest above honor. To a person of honor, his here word is pledged. Don't waste time, because wealth can be retrieved, but time lost forever defended. Press and fight. Racer. This person is careful in all his discreet about things that need to keep secret. An intelligent man is he who is cautioned in speech and knows how to keep the secret that must be guarded. In the journey path of life, the man leads the way and his wife and children follow. If their leader goes to the way to perdition, so the followers never regard a woman as an objective for you to trifle with. Rather, you should consider her as a partner in development. Give proper consideration to a woman's fertility and never forget that your own mother who brought you forth and nurtured you from infancy is herself such a person. Don't do the wife, children, brothers, and sister of the other. What do you want done to your wife, children, and brothers and sisters? Man's worth is not measured by his station in life, neither by height of his nose, nor the fairness of skin, and certainly not by wither and pressed, claiming to the god deputy, even if the tribesman from the hills and speak only his tongue. A man as fine perception is loyal to his native land. When this teaching shall have been propagated and the glorious sun of freedom begins to shine on this poor island, to enlightenment our united race and people, then all the life lost, all the struggle and the sacrifice not been a vain. Andres Bonifacio, a self-trained writer. His pen name was Agapito Bagumbayan. His writing were pag-ibig sa tinubuang bayan, a patriotic poem, katong kulang gagawin ng mga anak ng bayan ang katipunan, tikalag, ang dapat mabatid ng mga Tagalog, a politico-historical essay.
Dr. Pio Valenzuela, the physician of Katipunan. He helped Jacinto in putting up the Kalayaan, the Katipunan newspaper. Madlang Away, Fight for the People, his pen name. Collaborated with the best friend Bonifacio in writing the manifesto entitled Sa Mga Kababayan. Kalayaan, organ of KKK. Realizing the value of printed words, Bonifacio and his friend established as printing press and an organ of the society. Isabelo de los Reyes. The printing press was purchased him. The money used to pay the printing press was donated by two Visayan Katipuneros. That is Francisco del Castillo, Candido Iban, were ticket won the lottery. Jose Rizal and the Katipunan. From the time that Jose Rizal was banished in Dapitan in July of 1892, he has devoted himself to helping the people in Dapitan. Bonifacio tried hard to convince Rizal to support the armed revolt because he believed that Rizal would give his approval. Rizal believed that it was foolishness to fight the Spaniards without sufficient arms to fight enemy and funds. He suggested that Katipuneros wait for the time before the launching of an armed struggle. Even so, he suggested as of why not to attract the influential and wealthy Filipinos to the cause of because of success to the revolutions. He also suggested Antonio Luna to the appointed of the revolutions. Valenzuela came back to Manila and reported the result of his missions. Bonifacio admitted that it will be fatal for them to start revolution without enough weaponry which would be to fight for the enemy. Ponciano Rizal was Rizal's older brother. Bonifacio hung Rizal Reed portrait their headquarters. The Katipunan and Japan. The Katipunan saw Japan siege in the coming revolution. In May 1896, a Katipunan delegation headed by Bonifacio and Jacinto secretly contacted a visiting Japanese officer of the Kosher Congo and the Japanese consul of the Japanese bazaar and requested Japanese ends against Spain. Moritaro Tagawa, a Japanese name of Filipina from Bukawi, Bulacan, act as a interpreter. And that's all for the parting of the Kartilya ng Katipunan.